Hello and welcome for another soap review here in Sweden, where the pandemic just begin. We don't have so many confirmed cases because they only test people who are sick enough to be in hospital. So we have 1,300 cases confirmed in hospital now, and in Stockholm, the big city, there it started to spread, and also on the smaller city, but it's just in the beginning here, so we have the worst to come. Anyway, I'm gonna shave and not talk so much about corona. I have a soap for you here that many of you requested in my earlier video where I asked for help, what videos to do next, and it's Takeout Night by LatherBros, an American artisan soap maker. This soap has excellent ingredients, as you can see here. I post it in the description below as well. The color is brownish, and it's not a triple milled soap or anything. You can press it with your fingers here, very easy. Very nice ingredients. It's not 100% natural, but almost. It got essential oils. This one is supposed to smell with fig, citrus, lemongrass, chili. Yes, those scents in here. I might send some ginger, but it's all mixed together and blend together, so it's not so easy to pick out the scents here. Is it a pleasant scent? No, it's not for me anyway. It's not the scents that I like. But if you like these ingredients that I just mentioned, it can be for you. We're gonna use the Grizzly Bay, another American artisan who make these brushes. Synthetic knot on this one. And we're gonna shave with a featherweight gem from 1950s. I actually don't know how many shaves I have on this Persona PTFE blade, but I'm afraid it can be 5 now. Let's see how the shave goes. I might have to switch blades or razor, we will see. And I will finish off with Shea's Lonely, because this soap has excellent ingredients. It's shea butter and a lot of different oil, so I don't need any of the shea balm here today. Just gonna wet the face a little bit. I have been isolated or in quarantine now for a week today, because I have dry cough after a bronchite I have, and I had that bronchite for a month, and we're not allowed to work with that with sick people now, so I have to be home. But I start to get very, very tired of this, so I guess by Monday I will start to work again. And I will get corona, of course, very fast, because we have no protection for the face here, so I'll probably stand here again on sick leave quite soon. Hope it just don't get with a pneumonia or anything. Start to load this soap here. We do a face lather, I think. And I have only a damp brush, so I don't mess. I hate to mess up my soaps. I prefer do it like this, it works excellent. Just load and put some on your face. And then we just add water to this. Now the lemongrass seems to kick in here. Actually the scents start to get a lot better now. Very interesting. It's my first shave with this soap, so we have to experience it together here. I have tested another of LatherBros soaps before in the previous video. I don't remember the name of it now, but it was a very good soap. And there is no reason why this should not be as well. Yeah, very easy to make a good lather here. Very fast, comes immediately, just explodes. Very nice. This lather has an excellent face feel. It's not like a cream or lotion so heavy, but it's not light. It's completely perfect. This is the kind of lather that I love. It's firm, feels very firm, but not too heavy. Like if you had some kind of lotion on you. And it can take a lot of water. This is an excellent lather. Very good. Perfect. Almost a bit too pasty, but I don't want to take more water in it now. Let's go on with this little featherweight. This is, by the way, one of my favorite razors. It's an extremely effective one with the right blade in it. The soap really changed character when you lather it up. It's not so often I experience that with the soap. Now it's a much more pleasant scent, it's a more sweeter scent. Sweet citrus coming through. Suddenly I like the scent. I take it back what I said in the beginning. This is a pleasant scent. Once you lather it up, it completely changes. And it's a cheap soap for having all of these good ingredients. $15 for 4 ounces. It's a very good price. Now we're gonna check for the residual on this pass. But I can say that the glide is totally excellent. Someone called me on my phone there, but I'm not gonna answer. Let me check so it didn't stop the recording here. No, it didn't. Good. It was from my work. Probably it's a catastrophe there and they need me back. Healthy or not. I have to call them up after the shave here. Oh, the residue. It's a very nice layer and good residual slickness. Nice layer on your face. Third and last pass. The blade giving up now. Here on the chin. Very, very nice residual. Okay, I'm gonna rinse and I'll be back. Back again. I had a fantastic shave, very, very good soap. This is a soap I really can recommend. It was very good in performance and the quality of the lather. Just buy it, you will not get disappointed. Close, very close shave. If I only had done a touch-up here, I almost could say that I was BBS. Very nice shave. Some witch hazel and we are done with the shave today. So, thank you for watching and remember, take care out there and stay healthy, and I see you soon again. Bye bye.